All right, everybody, this is going to be Welcome Sunday. BOGO Sunday. Hoops. Basketball break. 1920. Number 2B. Let's roll through the team owners over here. ATL Ray. Boston Ray. Brooklyn going to Davey. Charlotte Kaput. Bowles Ray. Chicago Ray, Cavs Jim, Mavs Davey, Nuggets Eric, Detroit Ray, Warriors going to Ray, Rockets Archie, Pacers London, Clips Penzito, Lake Show Tarzan, Grizzlies Kostler, Miami Jim, Bucks going to Walter, Timberwolves Facalio, Pelicans Drew S, Knicks going to JTAC, OKC London, Magic London, 76ers D'Antonio, good call. Suns Patrick, Trailblazers, PTB, Una. SK going to Jim. Spurs going to Ray. Raptors, Una. Jazz going to Cam. Wizards going to Lieutenant Spears. Good luck, everybody. Hoops. Remember 17-18 hoops was like $35 a box, $40 a box. Good luck, guys. Thank you. What's up, Davey? We got highlights. Oops. Cam's a little low. Highlights. Dwayne Wade. Miami. We got a rookie, Nasir Little, and a retro rookie of Hachimura. Or a tribute rookie. Same thing, I guess. Sidney Crosby rookie tribute. RJ Barrett's flying. Yeah, dude. Oh, old school. Oh, see, I love these. These are nice. We got Cleveland Cavs, Mark Price. I love these autos. They did a good job on these. I like the cracked ice look. So, Cavs going to Price. Mark. Was a great shooter. Cavs is going to Jim. Nice hit, Jim. NBA City. Dragic. Miami. Goran Dragic. Quindary Weatherspoon for the Spurs. Cam Johnson, Pimp Daddy. Future Pimp Daddy. Terrence Mann, rookie. 3 rookies in a row. Good old Cam. I'm just saying that because he lives in AZ. He's not really that good. Don't listen to me. All right. And we got playoffs. Road to the NHL Stanley Cup 29 out of 2019. That is Klay Thompson, Golden State. Oh, it's going to be a dual random. This one has double logos. Take that back. That is, well, it says Klay Thompson on it, so I take that back. That is Klay Thompson, so sorry about that. I thought it had 2 names on it as well. Ja Morant, Grizzlies. Nice rookie of Ja Morant. So far, good box. Really good box so far. And Darius Bazley for the Thunder. 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 In the middle of the night. And we got Nickeil Alexander-Walker rookie for the Pelicans. This one feels kind of heavy. Could be placebo. For the Phoenix Suns, Perp rookie, Ty Jerome. For the Nets logo, we got Kyrie Irving. That is a tribute. And rookie Josh Reeves for the Mavericks for Dow. BOGO Sunday. You know it, baby. Don't be messing with the BOGO. Wonder if people were surprised I did an all-day BOGO Sunday. Number to 199, Larry Nance Jr. I remember his dad in the dunk contest back in the day. Number to 199, he took the 2 balls. Went like this. Each arm. Boom, boom. Cavs. Jordan Poole. Rookie Golden State. And nothing. Spark plugs. We got Ben Simmons. 76ers. Spark plugging it up. Jalen Howell, Minnesota Timberwolves rookie. Allen Iverson tribute. And Mfiondu Kabengele, Clippers rookie. Bobito. Coyotes going to the Stanley Cup Finals. Brooklyn Nets rookie auto, right? Yep, rookie ink. Nick Claxton. Claxton it up. Those rookie inks are hot. I like these. And a refractor, Kyrie Irving. Refractor Kyrie, number 2, 199. 19 of 199. Nice rookie of Darius Garland for Cleveland. Pretty good box so far. Dude, that would be classic. And we got backstage pass, Chris Paul, Thunder. Then he would take responsibility for it. Eric Paschall, rookie for Golden State. Cam Reddish, rookie for ATL. Courtside, Mavericks, Luka. Rookie Daniel Gafford, Chicago. Oh. Bruno Fernando. And we got tribute rookie Zion Williamson for the Pelicans. a tribute rookie. Great box so far. Still got a lot of packs to go. This has been really good, rookie-wise. We got Action Shots, Paul George. Oaktown, Oklahoma. Patrick Beverly and Grant Williams, rookie for Boston. NBA City, James Harden. Chinese lettering, that is Rockets. We got rookie Jalen Hands. That is for Brooklyn. Anthony Davis tribute for the Lakers. We got Road to the Finals, Steph Curry, numbered to 499, Golden State. We got Keldon Johnson, rookie, Spurs. Rookie Jarrell Brantley, Jazz. Jarrell. Purple, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Sacktown for the Kings. Goga Bitadze and Lairbear. Tribute of Lairbear. And that rookie Bitadze is Pacers. We got a perp, Jared Allen, Nets. We got a rookie, Talon Horton Tucker. And the mailman, Karl Malone, Utah Jazz on the tribute. And Lakers for the Talon. Another auto, that'd be the third one. Oh no, it's a special refractor, zero gravity. This guy's cards are going up too. Utah Jazz, Donovan Mitchell. A lot. His stuff has gone up a lot. Zero gravity refractor for the Jazz, Donovan Mitchell. We got Tremont Waters, rookie. KZ Opala, Miami rookie. And Mai Oni, Jazz rookie. Mai. Oh my. Yee. Oni. We got a refractor hoops. That is Kevin Durant. Action Shots, Golden State. Or Nets. I'm sorry. I didn't know he went to the Nets. Barkley tribute, Suns. And nothing. We got next, parallel, Darius Garland for Cleveland. RJ Barrett, there he is. Stuff's flying through the roof now. And Isaiah Roby. Mavs for Roby. There you go, RJ. Zero Gravity. We got Zach LaVine for the Bulls. Nothing. And Brandon Clark for the Grizz. Tribute rookie Kobe White for the Bulls. This has been a good box, rookie-wise. Nice auto. Yeah, you missed the Luckies, bro. I put another one up, Duck. High Voltage, Julius Randle. New York Knicks. Future Pimp Daddy, Kyle Guy. PJ Washington Jr. Yeah, it was a so-so box, Duck. I think the next two are really heavy boxes. They feel heavy. Rui Hachimura. Hopefully that means something good. Heavy boxes. Some fatties. We got Nick Claxton, Brooklyn. We got DeAndre Hunter, rookie for ATL. NBA City, Jarrett Allen. We got a tribute of Damian Lillard. Kaput, Cody Martin, Hornets rookie. Yeah, bro, he's a shooting monster, dude. I just got a Kyle Guy Spectra card out of 25. Courtside Trae Young for ATL. Another Pimp Daddy. And a rookie, Mariel Shayok. Philly. Last pack. Here we go. Tip off. LeBron James and Kobe Bryant. Purple tip off. Tribute rookie, DeAndre Hunter. Lucas Samanic, or Samanich, however you say his name. Spurs rookie. And that is it. Not too bad of a box. A lot of good rookies. There's a lot of other good rookies in there too that haven't been loaded. Zero Gravity Refractor. Zion Tribute rookie. Kyrie Refractor. Nick Claxton rookie auto. I love the perps. John Morant, standard rookie. And Mark Price, go old guys. Number 3C is up on the site. We'll get this put away. Thank you guys. Appreciate it, everybody.